Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Red Dead Redemption 2, and we have a little bit of a wagon service, Microwaveboy services, so let's see if there's any customers around here. Hey sir, do you need a wagon?
Yes.
Oh okay, get in.
Can you take me to Rhodes?
Rhodes? Ugh, those filthy people in
Yeah.
Rhodes. But okay.
What?
Huh?
You said what?
Nothing sir.
You
Let's
said
carry
something?
on.
Why do people farm? Oh, huh?
Huh? Oh, minor inconvenience, sir. Minor inconvenience.
Ah, ah! I hit my head.
Sir, I'm sorry. Would you like complimentary
no,
snacks?
I don't want your ball in your pocket.
Oh, what, sir? Okay, carry on.
I'm good. I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Okay. Okay then, sir.
At least I'm not broke like you, huh?
Huh?
What?
Sir, I have feelings too, sir.
What? Well, I'm the one that's paying you, so shut up.
Oh yeah, let's talk about the payment. Roads, let me see on my
What?
checkbook. Roads is gonna be $200, sir.
That's not even far away. Oh my, what do you mean $200? No fine, bro.
So this is the top of the line coach wagon, sir. It's very
It's not no top
expensive.
of line. It's no like rotten boiled eggs in here, bro.
Sir, okay.
It's no
Would you like to
cheap.
take some complimentary drinks?
No, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Hey, move out the way!
Oh.
Sheesh, people nowadays.
Everything fine out there?
Yep, everything's fine, sir. Minor inconveniences.
I don't know why I took this coach. I should take another coach. Why did I take this coach?
What?
What?
Hmm?
Wait, huh? Huh? What?
What's it? Everything alright, sir?
What? Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
everything's alright.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's alright.
That's all. People nowadays.
Yeah.
Filthy people.
What you said?
Hey! Hey! I'm sorry. Free of charge. The ride's free.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You know, I'm playing with you right now.
Hey, my wagon, hey! Stop destroying it.
I don't care. Shut up. I'm tired. I ain't playing with you, bro. I should never took a chance. Oh,
The wheel.
No. Is everything alright?
Okay, hold on, sir. I have to check what's going on.
I'm tired. I need to fall asleep.
Ugh. Okay, sir, I fixed the wagon. It's okay now.
You know what, sir? Can you take me to Valentine? He said.
Valentine.
Yes.
Oh, this guy's a madman.
What?
Valentine, so far away. I just want to see my kids.
You ain't seen your kids?
Guess not.
I'm paying extra.
Okay, so.
Aren't I paying extra?
Do whatever you want, sir.
I pay extra, I clarify. Bro, you know, in bounce, I have my people in there. I was me, bro. The boys can meet up and bounce on. You know what I'm saying?
I don't need a whole backstory, sir.
You don't, so I just told you my whole business, and you're not gonna fire, bro. You know what, bro? You know what?
Hey, sir! Ow! Hey! 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 Hey!
Oh!
What the heck? You're scaring the horses, mate. Sheesh. Put that gun away, sir. Such a loud snorer. I hate these people.
What?
Finna call my boy Rico. And he's knocked out cold. Let me see. Does he have anything on him? That's a nice ring. I'll take it. Hey! I'm not messing with that guy. What the heck? Ah!
Where my baby at? Where my TV?
That guy's a madman.
Oh, wait, what? Oh.
Could just drive into that pit.
What the fuck am I? Where am I?
We're in the wagon,
Where am
sir.
What? Huh?
We're going to Valentine.
Valentine? I don't want to go to no Valentine. Where am I?
You said you wanted to go to Valentine, sir.
Let me out!
Hey! Don't you remember? I picked you up in Saint Denis.
Saint Denis.
You were at the tailor.
Oh, yeah. No, don't remember. Yeah, I just have type 3 dementia.
Old head.
What? Oh, what? What? You said something?
I was talking about my kids, Kill this guy,
bro. Sir, can you like drive a little slower?
This is the slowest it can get.
I mean, it's the slowest you can get.
We're going down a hill.
Whoa.
Put your seatbelts on.
Hit my head, bro.
Oh
This is my
no!
last time you're doing it.
Move out the way!
Oh!
People nowadays.
What's going on? This is about the last time to take any services, bro. Oh!
So I hope you come back next time.
No,
I hope you enjoyed the ride.
I'll totally come back. I'll totally come back. Oh.
People nowadays.
Get me out of this coach, bro. Get me out of this coach. If I can just like get out of this coach. Sir, can you like start wagging for a minute? Cause I kinda need like take a leak. Like, I need to
We're almost here, sir. I'm sure there's a bathroom.
Sir, I can't hold it in. I can't hold it in that much longer.
I don't care.
Please. I can't hold it in that long.
Sir, do not pee in my car. Sir, are you peeing in the back? We're here. What the heck? Get off this couch!
Oh.
What, are you peeing in my...
What? Oh!
Get off!
Huh? What? Why? Check.
Get off!
Yo!
Microwave boy services out. Gone wrong.